So today I will teach you how to make tomato sauce. What are the ingredients, step-by-step procedures, and what are the things that we need to remember when we are making tomato sauce. So first, of course, we need to wash the tomatoes to make sure that everything is nice and clean before we cook it. By the way, on this recipe, we are using 50 kilos of tomatoes. So, bala na kayo mag-divide. Then we have here celery. And we're gonna cut it into small pieces. Rough cut is okay. Siguro mga 5 kilo okay na. Then we have carrots. You need to peel it. Balatan mo siya. Oo, babalatan mo siya. Puta, nahirapan na mag-English. Then again, hiwain lang natin siya into cubes. Kahit malalaki, okay lang. Around 5 to 6 kilos is enough. Then after that, we need white onions. Hugasan lang natin para malinis. Ang sekreto para hindi ka maiyak habang naghihiwa ka ng sibuyas, hugasan mo lang siya tapos palamigin mo lang. Ngayon, kapag hindi mo pa rin talaga mapigil lang umiyak, umiyak ka lang. Mawawala rin yan. Ganyan talaga paminsan-minsan, meron mga bagay na nakakaiyak. Then, sunod naman nating hiwain yung mga kamatis. Then, pagkatapos nyan, gagamit tayo ng tomato paste. Itong sapurini, napakasarap nito. Then, kailangan natin ng garlic. Mga 1 kilo, 2. Bahala ka na. Tapos lagyan mo ng herbs. Then, olive oil. Tapos i-roast natin siya for 15 minutes. Kailangan mag-brown. So, that's it. We're gonna start cooking. First, you're gonna put the oil. So now, we are going to put the onions. Let's saute this one first. Now then, the carrots. Stir again. Then celery. Now remember, when cooking tomato sauce and using onions, celery, and carrots, we need to make sure that everything is caramelized. Kasi this will give flavor. Napakasarap nito pag naluto mo na maayos. Yan. So now, roasted garlic is ready. We're gonna mix this to the onion, celery, and carrots. So yung flavor nitong garlic na to, ito yung magpapasarap sa tomato sauce natin. Isama mo na rin pati yung oil kasi this will give also flavor. Make sure when you are doing this, use only medium heat. Huwag mo masyadong lalakasan yung apoy kasi it will burn. And ayaw natin na maging mapait yung sauce natin. So dapat dahan-dahan lang natin niluluto. So see, it's ready. Caramelize na lahat. So now it's ready. We're gonna add the tomatoes. Buhos natin lahat. So now we're gonna stir this once in a while. Let the juice comes out from the tomatoes. So as you can see, it's already coming out all the juice from the tomatoes. And then we're gonna add some pea tomatoes from Italy. Napakasarap nito and it will add more flavor to the tomato sauce. So again, kailangan natin siyang haluin kasi ayaw natin siya masunog. And para hindi siya dumikit sa ilalim kasi magiging thick na tong sauce na to. So maya maya kung kailangan nating dagdagan ng water, dagdagan natin siya ng water. And then after nyan, lalagyan natin ng oregano. Kung meron kayong fresh, mas maganda. Basil or thyme, the best. So ayan, isi-simmer na lang natin siya for ilang minutes. And then, i-blender natin siya maya maya. So ayan, almost done. Season na natin siya with salt, pepper. And then, if you think medyo maasim siya, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng konting sugar just to contrast with the sourness of the tomatoes. Kasi minsan may nagagamit tayong kamatis na maasim talaga. So, pwede natin lagyan ng asukal. So, this is our tomato sauce. We can use this for the pasta, seafood stew, or kahit anong luto na ginagamitan ng tomato sauce.